Wait, you're videotaping? Okay, well, it's Christmas Eve!
Merry Christmas Eve!
Merry Christmas Eve! Oh, what?
Miss your face.
Wait.
You need to explain. You need to explain that inside joke to everyone.
Merry Christmas, Eva! I'm wishing my grandmother, Eva, a Merry Christmas.
Okay. Now they understand the inside joke behind that.
Alright. Now, what should I say?
I think he wants out.
Well, you can talk about. Hey, do you want to be in the video? Libby, sit up so that she can be. Sit up so that she can be in the video.
Alright.
Okay. Oops.
Okay. You know, she's just as crazy as me, if not crazier.
Yeah, it's true.
I'm holding a black, whatever this is.
He's a fierce
He's a mutation.
black. he's a feared black leopard.
Look at those cute little sweet eyes.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you about my Christmas story. So I was sitting on Santa's lap, you know.
Wait, where was this?
Remember?
At the church.
Okay,
Yeah, at the
okay.
church, they have a Santa Claus every year. Anyway, and so for all the little kids, and so I came in, I got in line, and when I sat on this line, he's like, "Aren't you a little bit old?" And I said, "I'm only 12."
Did you tell her what you wanted for Christmas?
Yeah. And then,
What do you want?
And then everybody burst out laughing at me. I don't understand why. I told them.
When I sat down in his lap, he's like, so, how many things do you want for Christmas? I'm like, I have no idea. Maybe around the lines of $1 million.
I'm sure what happened to my slippers last
So I asked him for a knife, and he was like,
Olivia, only you would do that. Are you serious? Did this really happen for real?
yeah, I asked for a carving knife because I'm for whittling.
Oh, a carving knife.
I thought you were like,
A
sacrificing.
Look, y'all, Gizmo thinks that I'm his favorite because he laid down next to me.
I want you to rub his stomach.
Ooh, so cute. Look at, he loves me. Look at, he's giving me sweetie eyes. Aww.
I do. I want a guitar and a new knife for my whittling. I'm good at whittling.
I want an airplane and an airport.
An airplane?
Yeah.
Like a real one?
Yeah, so I can fly away.
That shouldn't be hard. Everyone here is employed by airlines.
I know.
Everyone.
Everyone.
Is your parents employed by airlines?
No, but
Okay.
we got friends.
Okay, yeah, neither are mine, but yeah.
Kayla, you should just wish for wings.
Say hi, Ellie.
Hello. I've already wished for wings. Doesn't work. Trust me.
Anyway,
Jesus.
Dad, what are you talking about?
our statue, it got beheaded.
I might have a little bit of water that I can use.
That didn't sound right.
That did
Or
not
some
sound
construction
right.
adhesive.
So tell them about the statue.
No.
I use some there.
Anyway,
Whoever beheaded
yeah, I'm
Jesus
really
is
good
probably
at
the same
whittling
person
and
beheaded
stuff
Mary.
like that. I gave my mom carving. Isn't it impressive?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's very impressive.
Once my grandpa, he showed me this giant knife.
I'll have to,
Yeah,
once
that-
Mom unwraps it, because it's already wrapped up in that box, I can show it to you.
Okay, is it a secret? Because you sure talk about it a lot.
She doesn't know what it is.
I keep chopping off you guys'
else
heads.
does.
Maybe I should. Gizmo left me. I've been abandoned by my only true kitty boo.
You can pin up on
Here, does he have to go to the
Because it's
bathroom?
one-sided.
Just at the door.
Yeah.
No, but he probably just wants to go play outside. Do you want to go play outside?
Tell him to go light the barbecue pit for me.
Libby, do you want to say Merry Christmas again and let me end this?
Merry Christmas, Eva!
Wait, Eva.
How do you stop this thing? Wait, do you want to tell them how you lost this one?
No, yeah.